If you have many videos created for your YouTube channel, how do you get your old YouTube videos seen? In today's video, I'm going to give you 6 ways on how you can convert one view into many views. The first one is to mention a related video in your new video. If there are previous videos that you have uploaded to the channel, give a teaser of the video and then ask the viewer to watch that. You can indicate the link in the video description. It's a similar concept to that of a website where you link to other related websites. What you see is an example from this channel. I do that as part of the video editing process. The second way on how to get your YouTube video seen is to include videos in the end screen. When someone finishes watching your video, there are thousands of things they can do next. They can watch another video in the suggested video tab. They can head back to YouTube homepage. They can leave YouTube altogether, right? But you want them to keep watching your videos. So use your end screen increases the odds that your viewer does what you want them to do. Specifically, like watch more of your videos and then subscribe. In all my end screens, I link to a video or a playlist. You can select best for the viewer, add a video or a playlist you prefer. Using YouTube Analytics, it's possible to know which options have the best click-through rate. This is a great way to grow your YouTube channel free. The third one is to add video links as a pinned comment. This is a great way to get more views to your older videos. Think of any other videos that a viewer might be interested in watching after watching your current video. For every video I publish, I add at least 2 related video links in the comments. The fourth way to promote your old YouTube videos is to add as a video card. You can link to a video or playlist that viewers might be interested in while watching your new video. You can also link to a specific time in a video or even to an individual video in a playlist by entering the video or the playlist URL. Depending on the length of the video, you can add 1 or more cards. The objective here is to keep the viewer watching more of your videos. Another way to get your old YouTube videos seen is to put links related in your video description. Use the video description to add links to your previous videos. Not everyone reads the description, so indicate either by saying it in the video or write it above the fold so that they know there are links in the description of the new video you just uploaded. The sixth way is to add a video link in comments where relevant. Now, don't spam. There's a line between enriching a conversation and spamming with links. So make sure you only add a link where it adds value to the comment that you leave. Now you know 6 ways on how you can turn one view into many views, and you have learned how to get your YouTube videos seen. Apply these to grow your YouTube channel free.